Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back once again to Fat Cat Collections. Got another watch-related item for you today, and this is by a company that goes by the name of Mainspring. Now, I've reviewed Mainspring's products before, and they make some awesome watch boxes and watch winders. So if you haven't checked out Mainspring, I'll put the link in the description. If I do have a coupon code by the time you guys watch this video, by all means, make sure you use it. So what do they make? So they make a whole bunch of different watch-related items, boxes, winders, and then travel cases. So this is really, for me, you guys know I keep all my watches like on lock and key, but there are a few that I just want to display. You know, when you're really into something and you collect something, you do want to display it. I don't really trust the world too much to leave all my valuables, my collection just out in the open. Some folks do. I've seen some amazing watch display setups that people have. But, you know, for me, I just feel more comfortable being ready for the crackhead. You know what I mean? Just locked up, you can't get them, and I'll be a little racked by that time, right? In case somebody did try to take my stuff. So I just always like to prepare for that. That's why I review so much smart home tech and cameras. And I feel like all these different topics, these different products I review, they kind of overlap. So one guy might be really into watches and say, hey, you know what? I don't have any security cameras. Maybe I should listen to Fat Cat and protect my home or apartment a little more, right? Depending on where you live. So just kind of keep that in mind. So now these boxes, again, are awesome, right? And you know, I've had watch boxes in the past, and as you get a huge collection, it becomes difficult to kind of consistently display them, right? So if you don't have a huge collection, or you're looking for, you know, you have somebody in your life who, you know, maybe they have 5 or 6 watches, and they do want to display them, these are beautiful. And I'll tell you, there's a lot of boxes that you can get on eBay and Amazon, and a lot of them are just really inexpensive. These are fantastic. So I have the Monte Carlo today, and this is Mainspring's 5-slot collector box. And this is beautiful. This is a really nice quality case. And I have to tell you, my plan was to get 3 of these and display these in different colors on my dresser. I don't know what their stock was like, but they did send me the black. Absolutely gorgeous. I have a box my parents bought me years ago when I first started collecting. It holds about 12 watches, but it's gorgeous, right? Don't get me wrong, piano black. But it doesn't have the display top. And I just kind of feel like you're just looking at a black box. Whereas this, it really shows them off. Now, because my dad is the most amazing man that I know, he liked this, and he's such a selfless guy, right? He's just not like me. Like, I'm pretty materialistic, right? I like my stuff, and you know, it's hard to shop for him, right? So my dad bought himself, very rarely buys himself anything. He bought like a basic kind of leather wrapped cheapy box on like Temu or something like that. It works fine, but he liked this, and it made me happy because I was like, you know what? This is yours. So after I do the video, I'm going to gift this to my dad. The great perk of having a YouTube channel, right? So it's a beautiful box. I mean, hardwood construction, gorgeous hinge. You do have a lock on the front, which is kind of nice if you have, you know, it's not going to prevent theft or anything like that, but it's kind of nice if you have like little kids or something where, you know, little not greedy, what's the word for, little curious fingers kind of getting in dad's collection maybe. This you'll be able to lock. And so it does come with kind of a cool looking little key pouch, little tassel on it. So kind of cool, just different, I think. Let me just open this up because I haven't actually opened this up yet to see what the key looks like. Yeah, so kind of cool, just a basic kind of key. You know, nothing high tech, but you know, it'll keep the little ones out of your collection. And depending on what kind of collection you have, right? You don't want your youngies getting into your Rolex watches, watch snobs. Come on now. So anyway, you can lock it up. Very cool looking box. Basic, you know, matte black finish. Nice solid glass top on this. And you can see I have some of the Dartmouth brands in here right now. Open it up. This is kind of fun. You have this bright yellow, kind of almost like microfiber interior, and then some blue cushion. So kind of leaning towards, I think, the theme Monte Carlo to me. I think, you know, racing, and I like that they kind of add some color in there too, rather than just having a black boring box, right? It's pretty cool. Beautiful hinge on this. There's not really much else I can say about it. You know, it's a watch box, but it's an absolutely gorgeous box, and I think any watch collector will really appreciate this. If you are like an Invicta collector as well, or some of, you know, the Aragon, some of the big oversized pieces, this will fit a larger watch, right? So I have like a couple Nubeo in here, Duxos, another Shield, I think I'm saying that correctly, another new Dartmouth brand. Check out this tourbillon soon to be released on Fat Cat Collections. Some pretty cool presidential homages by Duxo. So it's just a great looking watch box. Super nice, and definitely something you can either gift yourself or that collector in your life. So as far as the other color combinations, these are kind of cool. I really did want these other ones too because they are fun. You have the orange, it looks like it has like a black interior. Then you have sort of like the blue, and that one's got, looks like a bright red. It looks like red, I can't really tell by the picture. Red or orange interior with white pillows. They're just fun watch boxes. The orange one has black and cream interior. So just kind of picture like 3 of these on your dresser if you have a collection of, what is that, 15? Kind of nice to lay these out. And if you want a quality box, again, you're going to pay a little more for this quality of these boxes. These are going for $135. I think that's sterling or pounds. I'm not 100% sure what the actual denomination here, but it comes to about, what is that, about maybe $175 American, depending on your exchange rate. So again, check it out. They do say sold out on here, which is kind of odd. I'm not sure why that is. By the time you look, maybe they will be in stock. But if you are in the market for purchasing these, by all means, drop me a comment. I'll see if I can get you some kind of purchase link. Other than that, you may find these on other websites. You don't necessarily have to buy this from the Mainspring site. But definitely give their website a look. And like a lot, this is a Dartmouth company, so a lot of the Dartmouth branding, remember, they are sold in different places, and I am working with this company to try to get them to start doing more direct-to-consumer stuff, because there's no reason they can't sell to you for the best price. Now, as far as their other items, they have some amazing watch winders, which you guys are going to see at a later date. Some limited edition, blinged out, flashy dualism. They're kind of like their astronomy themed watch winder. They got some really cool stuff, and this is kind of where products like this kind of overlap, because even if you are not, I know a lot of times with the watch world, the stomps out there, we don't see eye to eye on the watches, right? There's all kinds of opinions, and I get it, it's cool, whatever, but I think we can all agree it's pretty cool to show off your stuff, and watch winders are awesome, and wait till you see some of the ones that they sent me. I'm looking to get my hands on more. This one here I've been eyeballing for a while, and it is absolutely gorgeous, so check that out. Again, you have watch boxes, cases, travel cases. I know when I travel, I like to bring about 3 watches with me. They have some pretty nice high-quality leather watch rolls. And of course, some of their clocks are super, super cool. So check them out. Give them a look. Let me know if I can help you guys in any way possible. Again, as always, Dartmouth is a company I've been working with for a while, and I really appreciate all their products. They're innovative. They're always coming out with something for the watch collector, and I hope they keep doing stuff like this. I would love to see a company like this do something on a large scale, maybe like a 50 slot, something that somebody can, when I think of displaying watches, for men anyway, you think about what women do a lot of times in like a nice dresser. They will display this on top of their dresser, maybe with some perfume. Men, gentlemen, we could do the same thing. So I think it'd be really cool to have something, picture the standard size of the dresser. It's kind of long, right? Have something that's like a large, long watch box. Imagine something like this, just double rows, but like 36 inches long. This huge watch box you can put in a dresser, and a really nice, clean, classy way of displaying your collection. So pretty cool. So again, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. If I can help, drop me a comment or drop me an email. And as always, take care.